Adding a pool and spa to your home brings years of family fun and adds a lot of value to your home as well. Joining us here today is someone who knows a thing or two about building a quality pool, and that's Ben Evans from American Pools and Spas. Welcome.
Thank you.
You've actually been in the business for probably longer than just about anybody in Central Florida, 35 years in the pool industry.
Yes, been building pools for 35 years. I started American Pools in January of 1999, so coming up on our 20th anniversary.
You built this beautiful showroom, which in fact is the largest pool showroom in all of Central Florida. You have not just a full-size pool and spa here, but basically an entire backyard. Why was it important for you to build this for your customers?
There's a lot of different options in swimming pools these days. What I tried to bring to the showroom pool is a lot of different options that they can choose from and they can actually see work. There's a lot of different tile selections, a lot of different finish selections, water features, fire features, so many other different items that you can choose from in a swimming pool these days that here you can actually see them run.
We were also watching one of your sales staff engage with some customers this morning, and he was showing them the 3D program that you have that basically ingests the information from their home so they can see it from their vantage point what it's going to look like.
Yes, we use a program, it's called Structure Studios, and our design consultants, they'll sit with the homeowners, design their home, then they can actually be looking from their living room out to their swimming pool, and they can move the pool around any way that they can. So it's really a great program to be able to do it with the homeowner so that they really see a visual of what it's going to look like in their backyard.
Okay, thanks so much. Great information. Ben Evans with American Pools and Spas. If you'd like to stop in here and visit Ben and see his team in action, you can visit them at 7320 Narcoossee Road in Lake Nona.